States of matter. Anything that has mass and occupies a space is called matter. All things, whether it is living or non-living, are made up of matter. Matter contains small particles called molecules. Molecules consist of very tiny particles called atoms. These particles are so small that they cannot be seen with naked eyes. Atoms are the smallest unit of matter. They are known as the building blocks of matter. States of matter. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids have a fixed shape and size. This is because in solids, molecules are closely packed together by strong force of attraction. There is no space among them, due to which molecules can vibrate but cannot move around. Solids may be hard, for example, stone and wood. Solids may be soft like paper and cloth. Liquids do not have a fixed shape and size. This is because in liquids, molecules are not closely packed together. There is less force of attraction among them, and little space is present, due to which molecules can easily slide over one another. This property makes them flow. Milk, water, juice, and soft drink are some liquids. Gases do not have a fixed shape and size. This is because in gases, molecules are very loosely packed. There is almost negligible force of attraction among them, and a lot of space is present, due to which the molecules can freely move around in all directions. Change of state. Matter can change its state from one form to another. Matter can change on heating or cooling. How? Melting. Changing of solid into liquid is called melting. Evaporation. Changing of liquid into gas is called evaporation. Condensation. Changing of gas into liquid is called condensation. Freezing. Changing of liquid into solid is called freezing. Types of changes. Physical change. A change in which no new substance is formed is called a physical change. It is a temporary change. It can be reversed. Few examples of physical changes are melting of a candle, blowing of a bulb, crumpling of paper, boiling of water. Chemical change. A change in which new substance is formed is called a chemical change. It is a permanent change. It cannot be reversed. Few examples of chemical changes are frying an egg, spoiling of food, rusting of iron, squeezing oranges to make orange juice. Solubility of substances in water. Solubility is the capacity of a substance to dissolve in some other substance to form a mixture of uniform nature. The substance which gets dissolved is called a solute, and in which the solute gets dissolved is called a solvent. The mixture obtained is called solution. Solubility of solids in water. When the particles of a solid substance fill the space among the particles of liquid, it mixes with liquid. For example, add a teaspoonful of sugar in water. Stir it well and leave it. You will get a solution of sugar in water. Sugar particles is spread among the water particles. Sugar and salt are soluble in water, while sand and chalk powder are insoluble in water and settle down at the bottom of container. Solubility of liquids in water. Some liquids can dissolve in water while some cannot. Liquids that dissolve in water or other liquids are called miscible liquids. For example, milk, ink, glycerine, etc. Liquids that cannot dissolve in water or other liquids are called immiscible liquids. For example, add a few drops of oil in water and stir it well. You will see that oil keeps floating on the top surface of water. Solubility of gas in water. Some gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide can dissolve in water. For example, aquatic animals like fish breathe in oxygen dissolved in water. Soft drinks contain carbon dioxide, which makes them frizzy.